Thank you. I'd like to call upon Ranjit sir here, please, to honor Devi sir. Thank you for being
And
here
before
with us.
that, sorry ma'am, before that I would like to thank நம்ம ரம்யா நம்பீசன் because she came, she இன்னைக்கு வர முடியல அவங்க வேற ஏதோ launch இருக்கான், but she's the one who sang this song in Malayalam and she did a great job. Please give a big round of applause to Ramya Nambison. She's from your land and your actress and she's a very very fantastically talented singer. Thank you. And Mehta sir, Rumba Nandri sir, for all the lovely words you said. Thank you. And also thanks to each and everyone from Kerala for always loving my music. Kerala na direct padam pannaamle sila Malayalam awards la enakku award ellaam kudutanga. The music that drove us mad அப்படிலாம் சொல்லி. So அந்த நட்புக்கும் அந்த அன்புக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. I love Kerala. I love people from Kerala. And I also want to say that I love the film industry of Kerala. It was so simple and down to earth. And I love the music of Kerala. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
We all know her with different names. Sanvi, Geeta, Pooja, or should I say Shrivalli. Our beautiful Rashmika Mandana. Can we please have you on stage? God, you are really beautiful. Oh. Alright, so the question for you is, what is your experience working with Allu Arjun and Sukumar sir?
It has been, first of all, ellarikkum namaskaram. Lovely to be here. It's been a while because, of course, all of you know that I'm from Coorg and I'm your neighbor. So it is lovely to be in a neighboring land. It is such an honor that we get to come to every state and sort of personally meet all of you and, be a part of your celebration. So thank you so much for coming here. We apologize if it got a little late because, of course, the flight delays and all of that. But thank you for showing all your lovely faces. Now coming to Pushpa. As in, your question, ma'am, was how is it working with Allu Arjun sir and Sukumar sir? Of course, it is going to be my, I think, career's biggest film.
Wow, can we have a big hand for that?
I think that itself explains how massive this is for me. First, I think I should start with our man, Allu Arjun sir. It has been absolute honor. I am so blessed to be doing a film like this with an actor like this because I think when you do a film like this and a character like this, you need actors who can teach you, who can feed you good information, who can feed you good knowledge, and I think who will help you become a better actor.
Yes, prop you up as you're doing your work.
And I know that I've become a better actor after this film, so I think all credits goes to you. Thank you so much. And Sukumar sir, of course, for the world he's created. Pushpa is a whole different world which we have never seen before, and we're going to have Pushpa 2, thank God.
Yes.
So I'm super grateful. He's a man of vision, I think. Like, he can just foresee magic and he can create it before we can see it. So I'm super glad that I could do this film with him. Devi Garu, thank you, Andy, for giving Sammy. Thank you so much. I think before we started this film, you had told me, you'll give me one song and I better work hard in that song. I hope I worked hard, and it is also because of Arjun sir. He also made me work hard. So thank you so much. Again, songs are amazing. You know it. You already passed with flying colors. So now it's our time. And also coming to my three movie makers, they've been pillars for this film. Their time, their effort, their money, everything, and I know how hard they've worked, and I hope they get double of the hard work they've done. And loads of love to all of them, loads of love to Kerala. It is so lovely being here, and thank you. Big thank you.
And since you did mention Kerala, we move on to the next part of our question. What do you have to say to the fans you're going to have in anticipation of this movie release? What do you have to say about your Kerala fans?
I think I keep a very close touch with my Kerala fans. I love them truly. I've got on a Zoom calls with them and personal chats with them, and they say how excited they are about Pushpa. And I think with this film you'll be a little more proud.
How lovely. Just to remind everybody, Pushpa releases on the 17th of December. Don't forget that. Make a date with yourself and these beautiful stars. Before we call a few more people on stage, I'd like you to be here while we have the next clip of the song, please. And now I'd like to call upon Adira Diljit to please honor Rashmika with the Ponada.
One last thing I'm excited to say is December 17th, our film is releasing, and Appadi nunchi Manamas Nakkedele. Thank you.
Mallu Arjun. I know about men being crazy about women, and I can understand that when you see the beautiful Rashmika. But with all this tardy and all of that, and seeing men still screaming, can we have a big hand for these fans of Allu Arjun? It's a great honor to be here. And as my colleagues who are here with me say to me, Anjali, you probably don't know anything about this man because you're 10 years older than him. But I do know a lot about you. And over to you. Please tell us something about your movie and, of course, everything else that goes with it.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Thank you Kerala. Thank you for all the love. Thank you. ரொம்ப நன்றி. And I'd like to sincerely apologize for the delay because there's a delay in the flight. When we're hopping cities, there's a fog. So I know it's been late and you've been very patiently waiting. Thank you so much for that first. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank the entire media for taking this program into the hearts of Kerala people. Thank you. And when I say Kerala, the first thing that comes into my mind is my Kerala fans. In every place I have fans, but I think when only in Kerala I think every Kerala is my fan. At least I feel that way. They make me feel that way. Thank you so much for making me feel like that. Thank you so much.
Allu, you're truly blessed because Malayalis are the kind
Absolutely.
of people, if I talk Malayalam, they'll say, Ayye Anjali, ariyamele, shariyaitilla. They don't feel happy that you're trying. They want you to be perfect. So, if you have made way into their heart, that means you are perfect. Because Malayalis are very critical of the people they love because they want only the best from the people that they love.
Thanks to Devi, I'm Mr. Perfect.
Yes. And now, Allu, I'd like to ask you, how is it different for you to promote your movie here compared to anywhere else?
Before we get to that question, I'd like to first say, I would like to start from where this journey started and why this journey today is so special. The entire craze in Kerala, the whole thing of watching a Telugu film in Kerala started with my movie Arya. It's the same trio combination of me, Sukumar and Devashri Prasad, which opened up the hearts of Kerala to me. and then we did Arya 2, and today it's the third film, and I'm very, very happy. I couldn't even imagine that day when I did Arya that after 20 films I will be here received with so much love. I didn't even think in my wildest dreams that I would be receiving so much love. Thank you so much. It's a very proud moment for me, and every time when I come to Kerala, trust me, more than how special I am in Kerala, because I'm special in Kerala, the way Telugu people treat me has changed. They're like, sir, so many artists from Telugu film industry, they come up to me, sir, we went to Kerala the other day, they recognized me because of your films. We are so proud that, you've become so popular in Kerala. So Kerala has brought me a lot of love in Telugu itself. Thank you for that. It's my special USP. Thank you.
And now, while we have the man himself here, I'd like for you to please play the trailer, and then after that we have a few more little
Of course, I
surprises
have lots
coming
more to
in.
speak.
Ayyo, okay, we will let you speak. The trailer kainettu.
பாட்டு இல்லையா புஷ்பா பாட்டு இருக்குப்பா டிசம்பர் 17th வேர்ல்ட் வைட் மல்டிபிள் லாங்குவேஜஸ்ல this is the biggest party anybody can give. Manmohan Singh Shekhawat, my dear Fafa. Now that I'm in Kerala, I'd like to publicly thank Fafa for being a big part of Pushpa and giving us a big energy on being a big part of Pushpa and making this movie even more bigger with his presence. He's a wonderful actor, an actor who I have a huge respect for. When we thought of this character, Manmohan Singh Shekhawat, somewhere deep inside I wanted him to play this character. And somewhere I had a feeling that if he listens to the character, maybe he will be interested to play the character. And very fortunately, he likes Sukumar sir a lot. He has huge respect for Sukumar sir, and he heard the film. And he said, I like the role. And that too, we're doing a film with no other, the best possible Telugu actor because it's Bunny. And publicly, I'd like to thank him. Thank you, Fahad. Thank you so much for being a part of Pushpa. You have given great energy into the film. You're a fantastic actor. And it was my absolute joy to see you perform live. What we did on screen, watch it on December 17th. Taggedele party. There's no bigger party that they can give than this. And talking about my artists, there have been lovely artists in this movie. And especially my Srivalli, Rashmika. This is Rashmika's style. Thank you so much, Rashmika. You have been such a lovely actress to work with. I always say I give a lot of credit to my actors, co-actors, because a lot of performance is only reaction, and reaction comes if you have a counter good actor. 60% of acting is, I would consider it as reacting. And reaction comes when you have the best actors. I'm very fortunate. I have great actors like Fafa, great actors like Rashmika, and many more actors in this film. If my performance tomorrow they say it's good in the film, I give the credit to, of course, my director and all my actors who have been supporting. Thank you so much, Srivalli.
Thank you.
And for the wonderful person that you are. I've been promoting the film with you. I've seen you more on a personal side. I wish you all the best, and I'm very sure you will become the heart, not just of the national crush, you'll become the heartthrob of Kerala also soon.
Yeah, that's a totally different country. That's God's own country.
I know it's a different country, that's why.
So you have to remember that. But you were talking to me about the technical side of this
Yes.
movie. So please tell us about your technicians.
The most important technician, who is the reason for this whole thing to happen, the Arya film to happen, everything, is obviously my director Sukumar Garu. Is the most important thing that happened, because I think my life, not just though Arya is my second film, Gangotri is my first film, but I was still a struggling actor at that stage, and my career entirely took off with that film Arya. And not just a film taking off, it took me into the hearts of Kerala people. I came into the hearts of Kerala people with that film. So I'd like to give credit for Sukumar Garu for giving me everything that I have today. And a lot of it goes to him. Thank you, Suku darling. Thank you so much for feel my love, just feel my love. I can't say anything more. And Love, taggedele. Your love really is taggedele because every film is going up and you're taking me up and up and up. And most of my films, all through my career, I've worked with Devashri Prasad, who's not only just my music director, who's also a very, very, very close friend, an amazing musician, like somebody who can penetrate into your soul. He took me into the hearts of Kerala with the sound saying, "Feel my love." See, they're still feeling it. That's the power of Devi. And from there, we've done so many songs, especially from the song which was very popular in Kerala. I still remember during Arya 2 is My Love Is Gone. You know, that was one song where many people liked it. There's so many amazing numbers we did together, and today again we're doing it for Pushpa. Multiple songs, especially. Thank you so much, each and everybody, and all my technicians, my crew. If I've forgotten anybody, please forgive me. December 17th, Pushpa Party Onde. December 17th, Pushpa Taggedele.
So we know that.
No, I'll have to say that again. There was no punch in it.
Okay, make some noise, everybody.
Pushpa Taggedele.
So we all know officially Pushpa is releasing in 270 plus theatres. But we have an Allu Arjun fan association in Kerala that is releasing the movie simultaneously in 83 places in Kerala. And we have them here for you. The three of them who are representing the Kerala Fans Association. And this is a great privilege for them. And thank you so much for allowing this, really.
Thank you. I always say that, you know, everybody has fans, but I have an army. Thank you, my army. "15 years of Fans Association, AFWA. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And now I'd like to invite Syed sir to please come on stage. Asiyat Kokar sir, whose voice I have been mesmerized. I know we've never talked about his voice, but ever since I was a young girl and I'd go anywhere and he would be announcing the awards or saying something, I used to say, oh my God, this voice is just one of the most amazing voices. And I never had the privilege of being on the same stage as him. We'd always be in the sound bin looking up at who was talking. Sir, thank you so much for being here. And
Thank
we will
you,
now...
and also I would like to thank all the Malayali, sir, you're right here. Thank you for writing wonderful lyrics, and all the Malayali technicians who have been dubbing this film with utmost quality, and my dubbing artists, and all of them, each and every technician who worked for the Malayali copy, and of course the person who's releasing it, E4 Entertainment, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love that you've shown. Thank you. I hope we win your hearts very soon on December 17th.
All right, we are not going to, I'm not going to let him go, but in the meanwhile, I need the hit maker, the musical hit maker, and of course, Srivalli. Please, Ingevango. Come here. All of you can start taking as many photographs you can, because this is a very special moment. Can we have Mr. Mukesh Mehta also please on stage?